Hey guys, welcome back to Gajin Garage. What I'm doing tonight. Well, my car is having problems starting at the moment. And usually, well, that means crank sensor is bad. So I got this on. I'm about to loosen the belt. And I'm going to go in there, loosen the belt. And from there, we're going to change the crank sensor. So before we start working, hit like, hit share, smack that subscribe button. And we are replacing the Honda 2000, 2003 crank sensor. Here it goes like this. First thing we're going to do, we're going to release the belt. Grab it. Grab it. Move the hose. There we go. Now, second thing we are going to do is we're going to take the bolts out. Second thing we're going to do is take the water pump pulley out. And then alright guys, see it kind of rusted in there, so you pull it out like that. Now here you got your water pump, accessory to the water pump, and right here it's that number 10 bolt that we need. Let me show it to you right now. Let me move the camera up. Alright, so down there, way down here, that's where your crank sensor is. Way right there. So taking the pulley off, you're releasing it right now. So the next thing we're going to do, see if I can put it here. Perfect. Alright, so what we're going to do right now, put it a little bit more back. I'm going to go here and release using the screwdriver. You're going to go here and release your Guys, don't forget my gear is available right now. If you go to my community and my YouTube channel, you can see my gear there. Click on, we have the boosted Gaijin shirt, we have the S2000 jacket, the boosted Puerto Rican Gaijin shirt with the Puerto Rican flag in one of the sleeves. That's one of my favorite because I'm from Puerto Rico. And we got more to come. Little by little, we cross that bridge, right? I'll give a shout out to Jose Martinez. Pitbull Martinez is a good friend of mine. He's from the area. Just saw him the other day. I'm glad you're doing good, bro. Give a shout out to Ivan from oh, hold on. Before I do the shout out. I'm loosening up the crank sensor right now. Kind of hard there. Pop it out. Pop it. Come on, baby. Come on. Alright, so it's loose now. I want to give a shout out to Ivan, the owner of Exotic Powder Coating. He did a good job on that valve cover. I love it. You got all the stuff working for me. There. So with the Honda S2000, I have an AEM computer. And when we did a tune, it would start right away. After the tune, it would take slack to start. I don't know if you can see me good or not. So, I'm gonna find out right now. Here's the fuel pump kicking in. Okay. Well, it's gonna start. Started 3 times. Started. Before that, I was having problems that I would start it up, and in the morning we didn't even start. It was just sparkle like it's nothing. So that is taking care of that. Now I'm wondering if it's gonna be after it gets hot, it will cool down. I gotta take it for a test drive, and I'll let you know. Alright guys, so I went for a test drive, went to the gas station, fuel up. When I got there, it's already warm up. I park it, turn it off, turn it back on, turn it back on right away. Well, I let it sit, go in, pay for the gas, come back out, fuel it up. Went to start it, it will not start. And I think I'm having problems now with my fuel. I am running an Infinity AEM computer, and I heard a lot of things, and I'll be chasing this problem for about a year now. So I already did the crank sensor. I do have to work on next time on the valve cover and the fuel pump. Yeah, I'm putting an AEM fuel pump, 85 psi's, and then hopefully that will put more pressure into my system. If that keeps giving me trouble, what I will do, like I do with the CRX, you know, these Hondas, I'm gonna get an aftermarket from K-Tune clock, and I'm gonna make my own lines so I can put more fuel into the system. But right now, when it's cold, it turns over. Before, oh, it goes again. It's broken. And before, when it was cold, it would not start, and this is why it was broken. The clips in there were broken. So, with that said, this is done and gone. Put a new one. Started when it was cold. Guys, hit like, hit share, share. Like my merch, and I'll see you guys later. God bless you. Hit the sign button, subscribe, smash it, leave a comment. Hygiene out.